If you want get unlimited coins and points in Poppo Live, so this video for you because I will tell you how to get. So go to video description and click the link. After you click the link, you will become in this website. Here you go to down and download Poppo Live Mode APK. Here you can see download now. After you click download now button, click I am not reboot. If you after the click I am not reboot, now click to verify and wait 10 seconds. After wait 10 seconds, you will be see go to URL and you will be come to media fire link. Here you can see unlimited coins and games. After download this mode APK, you come to Z archive replication and extract here. Then after extract, go to your home page and uninstall your old Poppo Live APK. After uninstall you this install my mod APK. After install you will be get unlimited points and unlimited coins in a very easy way. I hope you like my video and enjoy. Thanks for watching.